Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Today I have a 10-inch by 10-inch gallery wrapped canvas, and as you can see I have poured some of my white base. I'm kind of like emptying up one of my batch. Don't worry, I have more. Let me spread it out. The first color that I'll be adding today is called the Royal Sapphire from Prizom. The company name is ColourArt. Oh my gosh, I am loving this new sets of Prizom. Sometimes what happens with pigments, they tend to sink, so I would suggest when you use pigment, use some acrylic paint, so they will not sink into your base coat. But these are phenomenal. I'm just loving them. See, I'm just adding them right out of the container. You just drop it. You don't need to mix any pouring medium. You just drop it and voila, you go. You see that I have poured them in a separate container because I was trying it for the first time and I did not know how it would go. But I found later on that, oh, you don't need to put it on the container, so you can go directly from the jar. The little bottles they have, you can use it from there. The green that you see, it's Art Minds Candy Apple. This is not part of the Prizom pour. I wish they had a color like this because that would be phenomenal together. So far I have used the Royal Sapphire, I have used the Neptune's Glaze, and then I put the green, and at last I'm adding the 24K gold from Decoart Americana. And after I use my black sail activator, I am going to blow them. And when I blow them, I blow by my mouth. I'm not very good at using any device. I have the little world's smallest blower and things like that, but I'm not very satisfied with the way they blow my blooms. So it's my personal preference. I like to blow using my mouth, and then I spin. And when you're spinning, you must make sure, take the time to make sure that you have least amount of paint left on your surface, otherwise it will crack. So I am spinning it right and left many times to make sure that, yeah, it's like I have got rid of the any extra paint that I have on my surface. This is Vermilion from Winsor Newton. And this one is Groovy from TLP mixed with some Artist Love Professional Series Blue Violet, Quintagram Blue Violet. The lighter color is the Knockout from Art's Mind, and this is the color I am using from Prizom Pour, and I am directly putting it on my paint. And this is called, I believe, Peach Dahlia. So basically I am mixing up all the colors that I have mixed, which is the same shade of kind of like red, peach, magenta shades. And when you add different shades of colors, they don't have to be very contrasting, but they are pretty similar. At the same time, there are some contrast. When you blow them, your flowers will get more definitions. First, I'm going to blow these 3 flowers, and then I'll decide if I need more. After I spun these 3 flowers, and I feel like I need to add 1 or 2 on the other side. So let's do that. Let's add 1 first, then we'll decide if I want to add more or not. I just added the peach dahlia. Oh, I'm loving this color. If you look at the other flower, it looks so pretty. And by the way, the last color that I'm adding, it's Ganache from TLP. So I love this color. So the new Prizom Pour, I think it's going to be my new favorite, and especially that you don't have to mix any pouring medium. You just open your bottle and you pour it on your thing and you just start blowing. It's how convenient is that, right? As you can see, I added 1 more little flower at the center to fill it up, and there we go. And this is the dried result of this magnificent piece. I hope you liked it.